we have been doing pregnancy exercises and videos related to pregnancy since little long now. Today what special we are going to do? We have got two friends with me and she is Prajakta. Prajakta is in her 5th month of pregnancy and she is Pooja. She is about to complete her 8th month of pregnancy. Now what we are going to do? By the way, both of you can carry smile. No worries about the whole thing. And anybody expecting who is seeing this video has got a main purpose that there are a lot of girls who are facing an issue about blood circulation towards uterus. So we are going to do all those exercises which will help you out to get your blood circulation right to the uterus. So both of you ready? Okay, let's get started. So first, pranayama. Understand something, uterus has got two parts, right and left. So when there is a blood circulation properly divided amongst both the areas, this particular issue can be sorted. So let's get started. Sit down. With your right hand thumb, close your right nostril. Inhale from left and exhale from left. Again inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Continue for more 3 cycles. For all the viewers, what you have to keep in mind that your eyebrows have to be relaxed and you have to just do breathing in a rhythmic way. So you inhale and you exhale. Last 1 cycle, girls. And exhale. Very good. Your right hand down. With your left hand, close your left nostril. Inhale from right and exhale from right. Again inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. More 3 times. Continue. Ideally we say the time of exhalation should be longer than the time of inhalation. So if all of you watching, you're comfortable, please inhale for 4 to 5 counts and exhale for 7 to 8 counts. Continue, girls. Last 1 cycle. Superb. Hands down. Second pranayama, again that helps a lot in blood circulation. Take your right hand thumbs, close your right side of the nostril. Close your right nostril. Inhale from left. Left close, exhale from right. Close. Inhale from right. Close both the nostrils. Exhale from left. Close both. Again, inhale from left. Close both. Exhale from right. Close both. Inhale from right. Close both. Exhale from left. Close both. Inhale from left. Close both. Exhale from right. Close both. Girls, continue 1 more cycle. What we have done is inhale from left, then hold. Exhale from right and hold. See, for both these preggies, because of the duration for which they have been doing pranayama, it is little comfortable. Otherwise, it is a highly demanding thing on body to hold after every inhalation and exhalation. So girls, just exhale and relax. Relax your hand. Next pranayama. See, because I have said blood, it's very good for blood circulation. That doesn't mean somebody who don't have issue, they should not do. You have to continue doing this pranayama so that you never have a difficulty with blood circulation to the uterus. Now let's do third pranayama. Girls, I'm just explaining. You will use your first finger and I'm just moving a bit. We have got a new entry. She is Rajeshri. Hi, she is in her 8th month of pregnancy. So we are going to use our first finger and close the ear flap. And all of you listen, what you will be doing is a humming. plain humming. So it goes like this we'll be doing. Let's do it, girls. Close the ear flap and start. More 2 times, continue. Keep your eyes closed. Just feel whatever you can feel. And you can slowly open your eyes. Last pranayama, which will have a direct effect on blood circulation, that is letter O from English alphabets. See, we are not doing Omkar. It's letter O from English alphabets. So lips will be in O shape and there will be O. And whenever you feel you are done with your breathing, it ends with O. So it goes O and it's end with O. Okay, for all these 3 girls who are behind, because they know the mudra in which they can sit, all 3 of you can probably sit in Dhyana Mudra or sit in lotus posture. For any of the viewer, it's absolutely okay, you can sit in any way. We're going to do letter O from English alphabets 3 times. Let's take a deep breath and start. O. Just take a deep breath and exhale. Once again, take a deep breath and exhale. And then slowly move both the palms on each other. Put on your eyes and then slowly open your eyes. Next exercise, which is very important for blood circulation, just loose your legs, hands on your knees, and you have to do a pelvic rotations with your chest. So just observe, it goes this and back and this and back. All of you girls, let's get started. Start. 1, 2, 3, very good. 4, all 3 of you comfortable? And 5, go reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Let's start next exercise. All of you, let's be on your 4s. You all can take a horizontal position. Look up. Hold it there. With exhalation, look down. Hold it there. Look up, back down. Look down, push your back up. Look up, back down. Look down, back up. Continue, look up, back down. Just observe the rhythm at which their back is moving. Look down, back up. Very good. More 2 times, continue with the exercise. Look up, back down. All of you who are watching, see to it that your hands and your legs are firm and steady, and you will feel good at your back. What you should not do is hip movements. Your hips should not move. Hips have to be steady. You look up, back down, look down and back up. So this particular exercise can actually help Next exercise. Next exercise is a little tough exercise. All these 3 girls who are doing workout with me, they have been doing for more than 2 to 3 months. So any new girl, please watch it very carefully and then slowly do. Girls, ready? Take the position. Yes. Now I'll have to straight your knees. Take the position. Again, a very good exercise for uterus circulation. Straight your knees and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Superb. Good going, girls. Once again, straight your knees. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Once again, straight your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try and make your knees straight. 9 and 10. Release. Very good. All of you just stand on your knees. Again, the next exercise that we have to do, it's called Ushtrasan, but we are not doing a complete Ushtrasan. We'll be doing pregnancy special Ushtrasan. So stand on your knees, your upper body is straight, both the legs at the back. See, Prajakta being in her 5th month of pregnancy, she is also doing. They both being in their 8th month of pregnancy, they are also doing. So all these exercises are safe from 2nd month of pregnancy till 9th month of pregnancy. So you be on your knees, take your right hand, put it on your right heel and left hand up straight. 1, 2, superb. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and release. Very good. Left hand at the back, right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Once again, right hand on your heel, left hand up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. One more repetition, girls. Do it with the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Last one time, other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look up. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release your posture. Very good. All of you are comfortable. Any one of you who is watching, if you feel uncomfortable at your back, you need to slow down. Understand, if it's your first session, you need to slow down. Next exercise, again, which is very important from blood circulation point. All of you, this is the next exercise. You keep your legs straight, join your both the legs, take your hands up and come down and try and touch your toes. 1, again hands up, hands up. Very good. Go down. 2, superb. Hands up, go down. 3, more 2 times. Hands up, go down. 4, very good. Hands up and go down. 5, hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands up and hands down. Superb. Can we do next exercise, girls? You all 3 are comfortable? Very good. Next exercise, you need to lie down on your back. Again, shift into a horizontal position. Now my preggies are ready with next exercises. Fold your legs, all of you. Fold your legs. Yes, your legs are absolutely comfortably folded. You fold your legs. Now relax your back. Relax yourself. Slowly lift your hips up. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly relax. All of you girls, more 2 times. Lift your hips up. For all the viewers, any pregnant lady facing back pain in pregnancy, this is one of the best exercise that you can give to yourself. Slowly down. Last 1 time, lift your hips up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly down. Girls, now be in the same position. Just close your eyes and let's do Moola Bandha. Now these are instructions that we are doing. All of you imagine as if you are doing or passing your urine and you're stopping it in between. Which are the muscles that you will pull? Pull in those muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Girls, once again do it on your own. For all of you, this is one of the best exercise to get your vagina ready towards your delivery and a very good exercise to improve blood circulation. And release. Once again, pull in those muscles. In English, this is called as Kegels. In yogic language, this is called as Moola Bandha. Relax. Last 1 time, girls. Tuck in that place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. Take normal delivery position. Slowly lift your both the legs. Your stomach should be in between and hug your both the legs on the sides. See, all of you, if you can see, they have taken their legs close to their body, keeping in mind that stomach is safe in between. Now this exercise makes them feel very good at their back. At the same time, this prepares your muscles towards delivery, and this is a very good exercise to release your colic problem if you are facing gases in pregnancy. Hold it. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Release your legs. Very good. Keep legs folded. Now next exercise, all of you who are watching, very good for blood circulation, very good for pregnant ladies. All of you, my dear preggies, keep your hands on your tummy. Now all of you inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 6 seconds. Inhale. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Stop. Exhale for 6 seconds. Stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Last. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slowly exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All of you girls do it once again. Now those who are watching, this is a very good exercise to get connected to your child in the womb, to get your breathing right, because so many pregnant ladies face panting for breath. So this will help to feel more comfortable. Girl, just complete this particular cycle. Exhale and relax. Slowly, all 3 of you turn on one side and then slowly get up and sit down. All 3 of you going good? Okay.